Well, hi guys. It's a beautiful sunny morning here in Thailand. Lovely clear blue skies and a slight breeze to take the heat off. Right, now then, no further ado. This video is going to be about the way I repot or pot up water lilies. Now this will vary quite a different from your home country, no doubt, especially the UK, because we do it completely differently over there compared to here. So bear with me and I'll give you a rundown of what we do here. Okay, here we go then. Right folks, here's our project today. Now some of these lilies, all of them have come out of the pond which I've just cleaned. Now as you can see on this one in particular, it still has the original old rhizome on, which I'll probably trim off a little in actual fact. And this one here is self-seeded. There's several self-seeded plants here which we should be potting on. Now types and colours I don't know, I bought them at a market about, I don't know, 10 years ago maybe. And every year in the spring, this time of the year, start of the wet season, the wet monsoon, I clear out the pond and pot these up, feed them, etc. Now then, the pots. Here are the pots. Now you think, oh my god, nothing like the ones in the UK, which are like baskets, more or less anyway. Now I have here just ordinary flower pots, small ones actually. Now this one is an aqua pot. This one is specifically designed for water lilies, in this country anyway. You can see no holes in the bottom. They work fine, they work absolutely fine, but there's no need, if you're keeping your lilies, water lilies in a pond that is, there's no need to have aqua pots. You can use any flower pot, preferably terracotta. Terracotta are better because of the weight. Now these are okay, you put stones in, stones on top, stones in the bottom, no problem at all. So there's our pots. Now our planting medium, and this is our planting medium. I'll just pull the cellophane back a little. I don't want to get this all over me and all over the camera, but there you are, you see. Now that is clay. That is clay, and that's off of a riverbed, I suspect. These little bundles, or these packages, cost about 10 baht in Thailand, which is you can work that out yourself. It's there's 40 baht to the pound sterling roughly, and 31 baht to the US dollar roughly. So it'll give you some idea. There we are, and that's all we need. That's simple. Oh, one other thing I forgot. Fertilizer. Now I'll show you the type of fertilizer we use here as well. Okay, we'll have a break here now. Sorry about that break folks, but I forgot the fertilizer tablets. So here we are. There's 12 in a packet, they are 20 baht a packet. And these are, if I can read it, NPK is 9, 23, 20, and this says 3 months to use them every 3 months, but in actual fact you need to use them every 2 months. They are really exhausted after 2 months. Now as this part of Thailand, it only really gets cold in December and January, so they are growing for the other 10 months of the year, so you need to feed them, you know, at least 4 times a year I would suggest. Let's get our pot, and let's do the proper pot first, the aqua pot, so you can see exactly how it goes. Now you can put a stone in the bottom, which I will do, like so. There we have a small stone. You can put anything in there, old bricks, anything really. Now then, we will have a, let's have a look. This looks a nice specimen for a big pot. Now you can see there are little buds there where plants, or fresh growth rather, should come through. So I'm not going to break that up. I don't intend to break that up or cut it down at all. So put it down at a slight angle like so. There we are. Here we go then. Now this is a mucky job. Now look at this clay. Oh, you could use it for modelling. You could use it for pottery, I should think. It's lovely. I love getting my hands mucky. All gardeners should. Real gardeners get their hands dirty. That's for sure. Right, plonk that one in. Seat your lily on top of that one. Grab another. God, these guys, they pack everything, double pack in sort of disposable plastic, and it's, you know, single-use plastic. But they have to, I suppose, because they must keep the moisture in. I've tried to keep them. Once that seal's broken, they only last a little while, and then it takes ages to get the moisture back in. You have to soak them for ages in water, and it never seems to work properly. Now, they break this up in sort of, I don't know what would that, not tennis ball, snooker ball size. Here, pop those around the top, like so. Yes, you've got to get yourself mucky. So it's handy to have a cloth and a bucket, a large bucket or several buckets of clean water, or a hose pipe gently trickling away in the background so you can wash your hands. Now I haven't done this, so I'm in a right mess now. I can't do the camera, and I haven't put the camera on remote, which is rather stupid of me. However, I'll just show you this. I should get away with it. So as it's just been planted up, I only intend to use one capsule, if I can get in there, that is. So we break that open. One capsule, did I say? One tablet. Right, here it is. Now all you do is force that down the side, the root of the plant, not too deeply, and you cover the top like so. And that stops the fertilizer escaping into the water and polluting the water. If you're doing several lilies in a confined space, and the fertilizer tablets aren't completely contained within the clay, then your water will become polluted, and we don't want that. The last thing we want is pollution. There's enough of it here without making any more. That's it. And all we do is fill that level with water and pop it in the pond. As it happens, a pond really is only the depth of this pot, or just a little bit higher when the pond is full. So, you know, there's no need to fill that. You can just chuck it in. Now the alternative pots, I just use ordinary flower pots here and do it exactly the same way. And you know, you don't need these pots if you're putting them in a pond. You don't need aqua pots. You can use ordinary flower pots, like I said before. Terracotta are better if you have them. Anyway, I shall carry on and pot the rest up and put them in the pond and show you the end result. Okay? Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching. And visit my YouTube channel for further videos on plants, bromeliads, tillandsias, cannas, etc. Incidentally, I pot cannas the same way as this, exactly the same, and they look beautiful, believe me. Okay folks, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye muddy hands. Now then, here, that one is yellow, I know that. And put that one there. That one there. Might be a bit too close to the edge, I think, but we'll see how they develop. It's not very uniform, is it? I don't like uniformity, but I do like it in a something that's lends itself to uniformity, like this pond for example. Oh, I think that's fairly balanced. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. Yep, happy with that. Well, thank you a lot for watching this video. If it's of any interest to you, perhaps you'd like to visit my YouTube channel and maybe leave a comment, a like, or a subscription. Anyway, there are many more videos on my channel, so perhaps I may have used you. Thanks for watching. Bye.